Hey guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Now tap on camera icon. From the given choices like Live, Story and Reels, select the Reels at the bottom and start creating 15 seconds video. Similar to TikTok, Instagram Reels also provide options like audio from Instagram Music Library, speed, effects, and timer. You can tap on audio option to select songs from the Instagram Music Library or can use the original audio. You can add AR effects to make your reel looks amazing. You can set the timer to record any of your clips hands-free, and you can even choose to speed up or slow down the part of the video. Once the reel is created, you can simply share it within the Insta stories or in the direct messages where it will be visible for 24 hours. You can even share it in the explore section where your followers can see the shared reel. The latest Instagram Reels feature is similar to the TikTok app as it allows the users to create the short 15-second video clips. Instagram Reels feature has been released, but in case you still cannot see the feature on your app, then you need to update your Instagram app. Simply update the Instagram app by going to the Google Play Store or App Store, then open the app and tap on update. So that was the short tutorial on how to make Reels on Instagram. Do check out our other interesting videos about Instagram tips and tricks. If you find the video interesting, then please like and share the video. Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to receive notifications of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.